Jesse, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done with the dyno. Give you a description of its combinations. Got a set of RS cast cylinder heads on it. Got the Edelbrock air gap. Got the Dyno 750 on it for you. MSD Pro Billet. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the rear sump oil pan. The March kit on it. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 511 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 526, good and flat there, peak horsepower 519, good and flat up there. So everything's good. We'll get her off there in a crate. We rate this as 500. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. So that's some of the upgrades we've done on this combination. So have a great day.